What's going on? This is a review for Nexcon's iPad and iPhone 5 charger. Now, I got a brand new charger through them, and the reason why I'm doing this review and I really enjoy this charger is because the plastic chargers that the iPhone 5 comes with are horrible. They snap, they break, they're not long. It's got that horrible plastic wire part to it, and they never last, and they're always chipping around right here. So I got Nexcon's, and why I like this so much is, one, it's a very, very durable string-like texture to it. Definitely could take this anywhere that I would need to. I really plan on this thing lasting because of what it's made out of. And it's got the metal tips, which is really cool. It's definitely similar to the metal that a iPad has on the back, or a MacBook Pro has, that aluminum. And so far I'm really liking it. I enjoy the length of it. It's not too long. It's perfect length. Sometimes you find the cords out there that are just way too long and they're hard to roll up, or the ones that are too short and your phone's practically hanging from the outlet. So this is the perfect length. So I definitely recommend Nexcon's iPhone 5, 5S, and 5C charger. It also works for iPad, iPad minis, the newer generation iPads. 2 thumbs up. It's made out of great quality material, and I'm definitely looking forward to be able to do some traveling with this thing and seeing how long it lasts me. So once again, Nexcon, you guys are creating great products, and this is definitely a keeper.